Sunday was the deadliest since the protests began in July. The protesters have now consolidated their demands into one point, asking the Sheikh Hasina-led government to resign. And also they are calling August 5th, Monday, as a long march to Dhaka, urging all the general public to join in the protest. While we know that a nationwide curfew has been called for an indefinite period, all the courts, the railway operations, businesses have been shut till further notice. The phone and internet services have also been suspended. So we know that now the protesters are really adamant. They want the government to resign. So the situation there remains very tense and volatile.
Navegeeta, is there any sign that the Prime Minister and the rest of his government indeed will resign?
Well, that we don't know for sure right now because the protesters have declined Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's call for talks. And we know yesterday that the Chief of Army Staff has said that they're asking the army not to fire at the protesters. And they say that they do not plan any coup attempt. And if there has to be any change in the government, it has to be in a democratic way. And they have blamed the police for the violence since July, in which at least 300 people have been killed and thousands have been injured. And these protesters have become a major challenge for Sheikh Hasina, who has been ruling the country since over 15 years. So we have to see in the coming hours how the situation turns out on the ground.